Hey, what's going on, Trap Watchers? Today is September the 27th, 2021. This is going to be our AMD stock price prediction. AMD has been generating a lot of hype of late that could actually push the stock price higher. That is the question that I'm posing to you, to me, and we're going to try to see if we're going to be able to answer that from the price chart without being confused with just strictly looking at the price and the volume to give us an understanding as to where the market is trying to go. So check this out. If you guys want to join us, hit me up, tap in, watch these videos, see as much as you can so that you can learn for yourself where price is going to go. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to the channel because take a look at my chart. I mean, look at the price in AMD. You guys can see what our expectations were from our last price prediction, which was on the 29th of August. We was looking for the price to go up, and instead of it going up, it went down. We had one measly trading day to see the price in AMD go up, right? That was it. Ever since that particular day, August the 30th, price has been going down in AMD, man. So if you guys didn't see our video exactly on the 29th of August, you had a very short amount of time to grab some profitability, because I even told you on that video that $115 is restriction. I mean, we got the line here for you all to see it. We said be prepared that this area can really impact the progressional movement of AMD stock higher. And take a look. Look at the history. The price has been going down ever since then. Wow. Now, we wasn't expecting the market to be in a sustained downtrend, i.e. price keep going down. I wasn't expecting to do that, but instead it did, right? And not only that, we expected it somewhat because we still saw the market in AMD coming in and holding support right there around $102. And what do you know? Price in AMD has done that. Okay, so this particular price action that we've seen since our last price prediction is kind of acting the way that we expected it to do. So what are we really getting in the market in AMD? Check this out. The market currently is telling us that we're bouncing in a channel. This is the current environment. This is what the market is anticipating to do going forward until either we break support of 102 to the downside, or we come back up around 115 and break it to the upside. So the question is our price prediction still viable? Can AMD stocks still go much higher? The answer is yes. Why? Because again, the market is building its next cause. It has to build energy for the market to break out. It has to. It cannot just shoot up in perpetuity. Eventually, it will run out of fuel and gas in the tank to where it's going to have to refuel in order for it to continue to shoot up in price. And that is currently what the market in AMD is doing. So even though since our last price prediction in AMD on August the 29th, even though price has gone down, we are still in position to see this market go up though, right? So let me go ahead and clean this up because there has been a lot of days in the market in AMD since our last video in August. So let me clean this up. If we were to get out now, I mean, we'd be down what? 4.88%. Not much, not bad. But again, I'm still looking for the price in AMD to go up. I'm still looking at it, right? I'm still seeing it. And you should be able to see that a little bit better on the 2 weeks time frame. Check this out. Check it out. You guys can see over the last 8 weeks, the market in AMD has endured some selling. Like the market was selling. I mean, we got to accept it for what it is. The last 8 weeks, the market has gone through some exceptional selling. And guess what? There has actually been a market to buy it though. Like people actually bought up AMD at these prices from whoever was selling. And that is a very positive sign for us to see the market in AMD continue to shoot up higher in price, right? That's a very good sign. Because if the market truly was being inundated with a whole lot of people trying to get off of the AMD shares, we would not be seeing a market hold support. We would not be seeing the market elevated and being sustained and trading sideways. The market will be dipping. The market will be taking a dump. The market will be plunging. The market will be crashing as of this particular moment, but we're not seeing that yet. So we appreciate the information that the market gives us day in and day out because it's already being revealed on the price chart. Did you all notice this too? Let me show you this. Did you see that? Did you notice this? That the market trend in AMD is still in an uptrend. So while you might see a whole lot of articles come out and dissuade you and tell you that the price in AMD is going to crash, that it's going to continue to go down, I'm here to tell you, the price charts don't lie to us. It don't. It tells us exactly what the market is trying to do. You just have to believe it. As long as that ascending line is there and price trades above it, AMD will always go up in price. Yeah. As long as price trades above that ascending line, we are going to see the price go up in AMD. So this is from a 2-week perspective. This is the weekly, right? Look at that. The market in AMD is still in an uptrend. Fantastic, right? Monthly time frame. So it looks decent, right? The market doesn't look extremely bearish. It doesn't look like it wants to go down. So let's run the play. All right, let's do another price prediction into the market in AMD. Now, again, we need to see this market hold support around 102. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down just a tad, but generally is around 102. Okay. Now, what are we expecting in the near term? It's for the market just to trade within this trading range, though. Okay, and there's the first hurdle in order for us to see the price in AMD really come back up to 115 is 108. That's the first area. Okay, we need to see the price in AMD break $108. We have to. If we can't, we know the market is still in trouble and that we are definitely in jeopardy of seeing price break this support area. If we cannot break above 108, I'm here to tell you that now. Be prepared for the market to break support at 102. I'm just saying, we got to be prepared for these things so that we won't be caught off guard. We won't act irrationally. We understand, well, we knew that that could happen. You know, HueFin told us that if price breaks 102 on weakness, that we're going to come down a lot lower, which is going to be around 96. That will be the next area for us to see the market in AMD grab support. So we got 108 first. Second area is going to be around 110. Okay, that's about 4%. And third area is around 113. Okay, or $112.50. So this is what we're going to expect now going forward. I have given us some stair steps for us to see price come in and try to take out in order for us to resume to higher prices. It's 108, 110, and ultimately 112.51. All right, this is where we're looking for the price in AMD to go. So far, still on course for us to see this market go higher in price. I'm done. That's it. That's simple. I want to know now, right? I come in and give you all my own ideas as to what the price is trying to tell me. Now I want to give you all the opportunity, right? You look at the price for what it is. You've done your research. Now drop me the comment in the comment section and tell me what are you expecting to see in the market in AMD over the next 3 weeks. Drop me them comments right now. I want to read them. I want to see what your thoughts are. What is your mentals in regards to AMD in the next 3 weeks? I'm not saying 3 years, because you cannot possibly give a reliable price prediction for the next 3 years as to where you think AMD is going to be, right? So that is why so many people try to come in and tell you to hold these long-term plays for 3 to 5 years. If you can tell me to hold a position for 3 to 5 years, then tell me where do you think the price is going to be, right? These YouTubers out here, they only want you to buy for the long term because they have no idea as to where price is going to go, let alone give you 3 weeks, right? So this is what I'm seeing into the market in AMD over the next couple of weeks, next 3 weeks. I'm looking for the price to go up. Now I want to know, what are you seeing? Drop me the comment right now in the comment section and tell me. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.